Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our latest home decor tips and tricks. Today, we're going to talk about something that often flies under the radar but is super important: decorating your entryway. Your entryway really sets the vibe for your home. So let's dive into some fun and stylish ideas to give your space a fresh look. Create a focal point. First things first, adding a focal point to your entryway can really boost its style. Think about incorporating a striking piece of furniture, like a vintage console table or a sleek modern bench. Not only does it create a warm welcome for your guests, but it also provides a handy spot for your keys and mail. This entryway features a gorgeous statement mirror hanging above the console table. It not only brings depth to the space but also bounces light around, creating an illusion of a larger area. The power of color. Now, let's talk about color. Darker hues add drama and elegance, while lighter colors can make the space feel airy and spacious. A new coat of paint can completely change the vibe of your entryway. When picking a color, think about the overall vibe of your home and the atmosphere you want to create. If you're aiming for a more eclectic look, feel free to embrace bold colors or even some fun wallpaper. Functional storage. Let's not overlook the importance of functionality. Entryways can easily turn into a mess, so it's essential to add some stylish storage options. Think about using baskets for shoes, hooks for bags, and maybe even a small cabinet to keep your mail and keys in check. And check this out, we have a lovely wooden bench that comes with storage underneath. It not only keeps everything tidy but also gives you a handy spot to sit while you're putting on or taking off your shoes. Lighting. Lighting plays a vital role in designing an entryway. A well-lit area not only feels more welcoming but also boosts its practicality. Think about adding a stunning chandelier for a dash of elegance or some pendant lights to give it a contemporary vibe. For those cozier entryways, wall sconces are a brilliant choice since they occupy little space while still offering plenty of light. Keep in mind that softer lighting can create a warm, inviting atmosphere, whereas brighter lights are perfect for ensuring everything is visible. Personal touches. Personalizing your entryway is what really transforms it into a place that feels like home. You might hang up family photos, display souvenirs from your travels, or showcase your favorite pieces of art. This not only adds a touch of character but also shares your unique story. Think about putting together a gallery wall with a consistent theme or color palette. It's a fantastic way to mix and match different sizes and styles of frames, giving your entryway a distinctive and thoughtfully curated vibe. Greenery and textiles. Let's breathe some life into your space. Bringing in a bit of greenery can really brighten up your entryway and even boost the air quality. If you're just starting out, easy care plants like pothos or snake plants are fantastic choices. To complement your plants, think about adding some textiles like woven baskets, cozy rugs, or decorative cushions. A small rug at your entryway not only adds a touch of warmth and comfort but also helps protect your flooring. Seasonal decor. Why not switch up your decor with the seasons? It doesn't have to break the bank. Simple changes like adding a fall wreath, hanging winter garlands, or bringing in fresh spring flowers can really keep your entryway feeling lively and welcoming. We just traded out our summer decor for a warm autumn vibe, and it completely changed the feel of the room. Tips and tricks. As we come to a close, here are a few quick pointers. Highlight a focal point, pick a color scheme, make sure you have functional storage, invest in some good lighting, and don't forget to add those personal touches. Remember, your entryway should be both practical and stylish. Conclusion. Thanks for being here with me today. I really hope these entryway decorating ideas spark some inspiration for you to revamp your own space. Keep in mind, your entryway is the first thing people see when they visit, So make sure it showcases your unique style and personality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your own entryway ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Until next time.